Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Teacher Gets Humbled After Harassing Her Ex-Girlfriend."
On December 14, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
Hi, what's going on? Sorry, we kind of had to separate both of you so we can talk individually.
I don't want to say nothing right now.
Sorry.
There's blood all throughout the house, though.
Oh, okay.
So you said she, as y'all work.
Yeah, so as I'm opening my door, she knocked my shit over. And I'm like, bro, why would you break my shit? Because you live in Fort Myers on Buckingham. I wouldn't come to your house. I know exactly. I don't come out there in that neighborhood and do nothing. If we argue, but we're not going to tear up each other's shit. Now that's going too far. I don't even touch your car. So, yeah, I said, she was like, oh, yeah, I told her to come lay down. Even after she broke the shit, I'm started picking up the pieces. As you can see, I kind of put them together. Yeah. Because you broke your foot. I said, you broke your foot. I mean, you know, you cut your foot. You need to lay down. You drunk, man. You started talking shit. So now you're like, well, I'm going to call the police to your house. I said, well, call them. Because I'm so used to it. But this time, you're going to because you're tearing up my shit. And I'm telling you to lay down. Realistically, at this point, I don't even want to date her no more. I'm just at the point of, I'm trying to help you as a friend. And even if it was one of y'all, if I see somebody drunk, you're fumbling, you're opening up the car door at each light, and I'm hoping the light turn green because I'm tired of slamming, reaching over past you in the little car, slamming the damn door. It's just like, come on. So yeah, it's just really a little. I'm not even mad at her, but I am upset that I'm more at this point. I think it's more the fact that you're like, I'm sick of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, what are you looking to get done today?
I'm pushing charges. She need to get on whatever she need to do, but she cannot be in my yard. Okay.
And is there anything else you wish to add, change, or delete from what you just talked about?
I just need her off my trespass and go. You can't even stay here for 20 minutes.
Alright, so Jessica, here's where we're at. So, since it is her property, she has every right to request that you're trespassed off the property. So we're going through with that. She can request you trespass off the property.
I don't have the keys.
We're past the keys.
Okay, can we take
Stop, we're past the keys. We're past the keys. We're past the keys. We're past the keys. No, listen, just listen, Jess. Okay, here's where we're at. She's going to have you trespass off the property, which every property owner has every right to do. Okay,
it has to go through the courts first.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Listen, I have no keys. I'm not bothering her.
We're not.
I'm not going to harm her.
Jess. Dominic, not going to help. Jess, here's where we're at. We're already.
Tell her to go in the house, please. I can have a conversation.
I can't tell her to actually go in the house.
Can you go?
But here,
listen,
Jess.
Because there will be a lawsuit. Because if we go to All Stars and we go to Patty Wagon and show that every location that she has drove
Jessica, we're past this. Jessica, we're past this. Jessica, we're past this. Jessica, we are past this. Jessica, we are past this. We are past this. We are past this. She can trespass you off the property. We're starting the paperwork on that now, okay? Which means that if you don't leave the property after having been warned.
Okay, but can you take pictures of the car first?
I'm not taking pictures of the car. I'm not taking pictures of the car.
Why is it that you as an officer can't take pictures of the car?
I have no reason to take pictures of the car.
Because she has the keys.
I have no reason to take pictures of the car.
So how can I fight this?
I can't prove that she has the keys.
How did I get here? Can you please explain how I got here?
140.
Can you please explain how I got here?
Listen, Jessica. I don't know how you got here. I can't prove that either one of you has the keys or doesn't have the keys. I can't prove it.
So I can go to court and from
between
All
the keys.
Stars.
Well, between the keys, that is between you guys and the courts. Okay. That doesn't involve us.
I'm gonna sue. I just want you to know because I didn't leave here willingly. I didn't leave All Stars without my keys.
Jess, I cannot prove either one of you has the keys. Okay.
Okay, but it's on body cam. Can you prove to me that it's on body cam? Can I please write a statement? I just want to write a statement.
Here's the deal. Here's the deal.
Okay, so I'm on. Can I?
It's recording. Hold on.
Okay. Can I talk to the camera?
Listen.
Can I please talk to the camera?
See, your son's already here. You've been trying to get a hold of him. Okay. Listen. Stop. Just.
Okay, but stop. I still want to prove a point. Mom. Okay, Davion. No.
No. Listen.
I'm doing a body cam.
You refused to give a statement earlier, and you
No, I didn't refuse to give a statement.
Yes,
Nobody.
you did.
I wasn't given the option to give a statement.
And the fact that you were also intoxicated.
Okay, I'm not intoxicated. I called my son. I didn't drive here.
Jess,
I called my son from Patty Wagon. I stated from Patty Wagon and All Stars.
Jess,
my keys were taken.
No.
My keys.
I know. We're just.
No.
Just hang
Davion,
up by the
don't do
car
it.
for a minute, okay?
My keys were taken that are not even my keys. They're Joseph Brockington keys that I've been taken against my will.
Yes.
And then I'm
calm down. We don't have any proof of any
No,
keys
she
being
took the
taken.
keys.
Don, why you playing,
No, she took the keys.
Nah,
She
that's
took
some
the
shit she would
keys.
do, bro. Stop playing, bro.
She done this shit before.
Give her the keys, bro.
It's not even my car.
Give her the keys.
It's not even my car. And this is what I was trying to avoid from bringing my son into this. This is the shit I'm talking about.
I don't even play about this shit, bro. I don't even play. I'm talking about you, bro. I don't even play that shit, bro. I don't even play.
No, you're wrong.
Keys. Bro, I
No,
don't play about my mom, bro.
no.
I don't even
But
play
see,
about that
officer,
shit.
this is what I'm talking about.
I don't even play about that shit.
This is not my
I don't
car.
even play about that shit.
understand that. You said that a million times.
Okay, I am. Okay, Davion. Okay, Davion. Shh. Davion. Shh.
Who ain't?
No, listen. My name is Davion. Listen. Shut up, Davion. Shut up. I'm making a statement on the camera. My name, Davion. Shh. Davion. Stop, Davion.
Let's go, bro.
My name is Jessica. And
son's
has taken the keys. Please look up on All Stars.
Don't worry about it.
Lower it down. Lower it down.
And Patty
Lower it down.
Okay, can I write a statement? Can I write a statement? And I don't have to talk.
We're not writing anything.
Okay, I didn't get here by my own. And when I get the footage, because I'm going to get the footage, because tomorrow, Monday morning, I'm not even going to go to work. I'm a school teacher, for your information, in Lee County.
Okay.
I'm going to go to the Charlotte County office, and I'm going to press charges because she took my keys against my.
So this is this is who's responsible for the next generation. Confused, drunk, got your son there. The son, you know, in the beginning, I'm like, you know, I rock with him. You know, he like, yo, come on, mom, let's just go. Let's get it. Come on, let's go. And then he start making it worse about the whole key situation, which realistically, could she have taken the keys? Probably. It's a possibility, but that's not something that could be dealt with right now. So for him to be getting all hostile, now you're making the matters worse, because now you going at it with the girlfriend and the mom. Like, it's just too much. It's just really too much. The son need to take his drunk ass mom and go home, man. Like, go home.
Will at All Stars. Davion, you don't need to talk. My son, I didn't want to bring my son into this, but being that he's here now, I'm going to press charges and I'm going to file a lawsuit because it has to be footage from All Stars to Paddy Wagon to here. I'm going to take a video of the car. That's it.
Don't come in my yard, like I said.
No, you can't come in with me. I can video this car because this is the car you took.
Listen.
Bro, you ain't shit.
Shut the
Hey,
I don't play about
enough. All right.
Put your hands on me. Put your
Enough. Both of you.
out my yard. No, you
Both of you.
gotta my kids.
Enough.
I'm
Now.
taking a video
Enough.
of the car
Now.
that I rode in. I drove to Charlotte County in this car. I have right to take a video of the car. Tell her to go in the house because I'm not a threat to her. I don't want her.
Then take a video now and be done with it.
Okay.
Now. Stop
Okay.
talking. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Okay.
Please stop talking.
I'm taking a video
I'm
around
letting
the
these
car.
people walk in my yard, now disrespecting my yard. And
We're getting.
in my yard.
She wants to take a video of it, and then
Get
she's
the
out of the way.
video, get out.
No damages to this car. The tires are all intact. What time is it, Davion?
She's getting the video of it.
Get it. Look at my neighbor. Listen to her.
I understand that.
Listen to her.
Listen. Stop.
Okay,
Listen.
so
Listen.
Listen to me.
Quiet.
No, get car.
No, I'm taking a picture of this car.
That's fine. The car, and then we're out.
I'm taking
The car, and then we're out.
I'm taking a
The car, and then we're out. The car, and then we're out. The car, and then we're out.
Like, can I get my stuff out of my car?
You can get stuff out of the car, and then you can go.
I'm gonna get this man's stuff.
No. Hey, Jess. Jess, stuff out of the
I'm trying
car.
to get my stuff.
Ignore her.
You contain
Ignore
her
her.
because I didn't come here.
Get stuff out of the car.
Did I come
Get
here?
stuff out of the
I
car.
didn't come here on
Get
my
stuff
own.
out of the car. Get stuff out of the car. Get stuff out of the car.
I'm gonna get his stuff out
Get
the car.
stuff out of the car.
So it's not damaged.
Talking to me is not progressive. Get stuff out of the car.
listen.
Just get stuff out of the car. Get your stuff out of the
I'm
car.
calm and I'm cool.
just sign it acknowledging that if you are to come back to this property, you're subject to the question. So I just need your signature right there.
You don't have to sign anything. Exactly. So you don't have to sign anything because I'm going to sue Monday morning. We will not be here. No, because you're not involved in this. This has nothing to do with it. Davion, but listen, okay, this has nothing to do with you. Okay. If I couldn't do no paperwork,
man, why are you yelling at your son for right now?
No, because at the end of the no. Because why are you having a minor sign papers?
He's 18 years old.
No, he doesn't know any fucking. So Davion, you're not signing.
I'm not signing.
Okay, then that's it. All right, that's it.
Said he's not. You just yelling.
All right.
You ready to say?
You want to give him paperwork? Give him paperwork, but he's not signing to nothing.
So
He can make his own decision. He's of age.
No, I know.
Exactly.
And here's yours. I need your signature as well.
You're not giving no signature. Go ahead.
How old is he?
So
He's
it's not even registered.
And you're not signing no papers. And
He's
you're
asking me a question. Can I have a conversation with him?
and I'm telling him
Hey,
that's his
ma'am,
mother.
no more. All right, go ahead.
Don't sign down. Why? I didn't touch you. Wait, I did not touch you. Why are you touching me?
Stop talking. Just stop talking.
I'm not refusing anything.
You're getting involved for no reason. I know. Just stop talking. Just stop. Just stop talking. Just stop talking. I know. Stop talking.
I'm not talking.
Just stop talking.
I'm not talking.
We're done. We're done here.
I know.
Okay, I'm not
trying
talking.
to leave.
You were the entire time. We were
I'm not
interfering with him,
talking.
talking to him. You're done.
Don't sign
Put her in the
anything.
car. Get her in the car.
But you see how this is? I'm suing. I'm suing.
Put her in the car.
This is the reason you're going to jail.
Davion, because
Don't keep your mouth
Davion, do not sign nothing.
Put her in the car. We're done.
I'm going to jail for what? I didn't do anything.
Obstruction.
Obstruction what? Because I'm educating my son?
Done. You're done.
Because I'm educating my son?
That's not education. He's an adult. Get in the car.
I'm educating my son? What am I being arrested for? You didn't even read me right.
Obstruction.
You didn't even
You don't
read
have
me.
to. Obstruction. Get in the car.
You
Get in the
didn't
car.
read me right.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
You didn't read me my rights. I'm not resisting arrest.
Right now you are.
I'm not resisting.
Get in the car.
I'm not resisting
Then
arrest.
get in the car.
I'm not
Then get in the car.
I can't get in the car. How am I getting in the
Sit.
car? My foot is bleeding. My foot. Do you
Sit
see
in the
my
car.
foot?
Sit in the
How
car.
can I sit in the car?
Lift your leg, left leg up. Left leg up. Left leg up.
How can I do anything? Okay, but do you understand what I'm saying?
Sit in the
My
car.
arm is being pulled this way, and you're telling me to sit. How can I sit?
I can't even talk because you're up here.
Okay, but can you tell me how can I sit? How can I sit? No.
Let's go one leg at a time.
No, show me how I can sit, please. Please follow me.
The woman was charged with trespassing, obstruction, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
This is unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. I feel bad for the son. I ain't even gonna lie. I knew he grew up in some toxic shit, man. He grew up in a toxic household. I could already tell. His mom, and this is an educator acting like this? What? No way. You're an educator? You're a part of helping the next generation grow up to be fine young men and women? Acting like this? No. This is nasty work, man. Nasty work. Foul attitude. Just all over the place, man. All over the place. This is I don't even know what to say, man. This is nasty work. That's all I got to say. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.